Understanding, I commit to, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful English phrase, I commit to. This phrase is not just about making promises, but it's about expressing a strong dedication or pledge towards something. So, let's dive in and understand how to use this phrase effectively in English conversations. I commit to is a phrase used to express a strong intention or promise to do something. When you use this phrase, you are indicating that you are seriously dedicated to an action or cause. For example, saying, I commit to learning English daily, means you are making a serious promise to yourself to practice English every day. This phrase can be used in various contexts. Let's look at some examples. Personal goals, I commit to running a marathon this year. Work or studies, I commit to completing this project by next week. Relationships, I commit to being more patient with my family. In each case, the phrase shows a strong dedication to achieving a specific goal or fulfilling a responsibility. While I will and I commit to both talk about future actions, there is a subtle difference. I will is more about stating an intention or a plan. For instance, I will try to learn English is less strong than I commit to learning English. The latter shows a higher level of determination and obligation. It's important to use I commit to appropriately. Avoid using it for casual or uncertain plans. For example, don't say, I commit to going to the party, if you are not sure. This phrase should be reserved for situations where you are certain and serious about your intentions. And that's a wrap on our lesson about I commit to. Remember, this phrase is a powerful way to express your dedication and strong intention towards something. Use it wisely and appropriately in your conversations. We hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.